Hands-free mobility can give your workflows an instant productivity boost, but you need a solution that your workers want to wear and fits your budget. Introducing the Zebra RS2100, the world's smallest enterprise wearable scanner, bringing fast, accurate scanning and comfort to workers across retail, hospitality, manufacturing, and warehouse industries. Ultra lightweight and small while packing a heavy-duty scanner for fast and flawless barcode capture. Ready to use right out of the box with little to no worker training. An innovative back-of-hand design provides comfort and a better grip for handling items and a lower profile for picking in tight spaces. And since one size fits all, it eliminates the need to stock and manage multiple sizes. Pair the RS2100 with supported NFC-enabled devices with a quick tap. With our optional device tracker, you can pinpoint the location of a missing RS2100. Eliminate unexpected repair costs with the Zebra OneCare maintenance plan, giving you quick repair turnaround and accidental damage coverage. Get the edge you need to compete in today's economy with the RS2100 Wearable Scanner, a new level of wearable comfort, productivity, and simplicity.